going to give you a 5-minute introduction how to build an app on Facebook. It's very simple. First step is put in Facebook developers or developer. Here it is here, create on link. Now you'll come to this page. If you'd like more information on how to build an app, just go here, build an app on Facebook. This will show you the steps and the processes how to create an application, and it gives you all the introductions and the code and the know-how of all the different features you can integrate with your Facebook application. Now what I'm going to show you here is how to create an application within Facebook within 5 minutes and create a tab. Now if you want information about a tab, just go to the page tab tutorial and it will give you information. Now a lot of people are looking to see how to add pages to their application to pages. Here it is, add an app to a page. All you have to do is get this URL here, okay, and put in your app ID and the URL of your website, and it has to be a secure URL. I'm going to go into more about that right now. Simply what you do is you go to here, apps. If you haven't done this before, it's going to come up with a dialog and ask you to actually add the developer platform to your profile. Then after you've done that, it will come up with this type of page. And what you do is you go to create an app and give your app a name. Then what it's going to do is it's going to give you it's going to ask you for a canvas URL, which I'm going to go into a bit more. What this is the URL of your actual application. Now what you do here is you put in your desired name for your application, okay, and mine at the moment is an unlocked demo. Create it. It's going to come up with the captcha. Is that a V or yeah, that's a V. If you can't understand the captcha, just like I'm having troubles right now, but I think I've got it right. Just go here and try another word. Let's see if I got it right. Bullseye, got it. So here it is. You've created an app within 2 minutes. Okay, now what you need to do is bring your website from your website to Facebook. Now it's an iframe. What you have to do is you have to contact your hosting company and get an SSL certificate. It usually takes 24 hours. I will advise you that sometimes the hosting company will take your website offline for up to 24 hours to change the IP address of your secure network. Facebook has to have a secure network, an SSL certificate for you to launch your application. Another tip is make sure the width of your application is no more than 720 pixels. If it is, it's not a problem. What it does is it puts some sidebars and that involved. At the moment I'm going to show you an application that we've built within our social cloud, and what this does is it fits within the Facebook diagram. Now the next step is go down to here where it says application on Facebook. There are other tabs. I ain't going to go into it on this video. Now what you do is you come down, click that button, go to your website, copy the URL of your front page of your website, or if you've got your application on a subdomain, just copy the subdomain, come back to the page, put it in the canvas URL, and make sure you've got this little asterisk here. If you don't, it will automatically come up as an error. And as I said, you have to have a secure network. Now it's this simple. I've just created an app on Facebook within 4 minutes. Now to make this app actual live, I've just done that. Okay, they say it takes several minutes to prograde. Honestly, it doesn't. Okay, now what we want to do from here is create a page for the app. It's called an app profile page. Now this has only come in 2012 since Facebook has released the timeline. Now a lot of developers are having issues and not sure how to go about developing a new application. And what other people are doing too is creating a fan page and then creating an actual application page. So you're creating 2 pages and you're dividing your fans to the page or to the application. Now what Facebook have done, which I think is really awesome, is they've created an app profile page, and it allows you to just have that one page. Now, don't go off and set up a fan page and set up an application. Just set up an application with a profile page. So that's the number one tip for 2012. And this is what Unlock Timeline is all about, is showing you all the steps and keeping you up to date with Facebook changes. Now, all you have to do is go to the bottom. Don't bother about anything up the top. You see how it says 760 pixels? I advise 720 pixels to stay within the diagram. Okay, and you can change with scroll bars and things like that. If you've got an application you want to build, just build it at 720 pixel at 8 pixel long. Okay, and it will create a one page. It won't have any scroll bars or anything like that. Now what you need to do here is just put in the URL of your policies. If you've got policies, put in a URL for your terms and conditions. You can have a support email or you can have a support URL. We like a support URL. Now here it is, create a Facebook page. Now this is the whole new thing about Facebook and their pages. So let me show you how simple it is. Now it comes up with this dialog, confirm it, and there it is, it's simply done. Now all you do is save changes. Okay, now it's been saved. Now go to the bottom and here it is. Let's go and have a look. And it's going to take you through the steps and the processes of putting in your profile page, your profile picture. It's going to give you the opportunity to import your contacts and invite people, put your website URL in, tell people about your actual application and your fan page, and then that's it. Now it's not published, so publish the page, like it, okay, and then you go to your application and it's quickly going to flick past because I've got this on a secure process at the moment, and there's the application. Okay, now that's that simple. I'd like to thank you for watching this quick introduction. I am going to introduce new videos to this, so just give us some time and we'll update you very shortly with some new information about Facebook and the timeline. If you need to know more information, you're not sure about how to do things, go to www.unlocktimeline.com and we've got a self-install, we've got a Facebook cloud, we've got numerous different plugins, and we're more than happy to assist you. We're open 24 hours, 7 days a week. We have offices in India, Pakistan, Australia, USA, UK and Canada. So we're an international multicultural company and we're more than happy to help you all. Once again,